Because there is a kasra here, Sister Nasreen, who will become he? Remember, we had studied. Why? Who became he? Because there is a kasra before, you know. Remember? We say fi, he, and we don't say fi, who, like that. Huh? Okay? Kita, min kita, be he, not min kita, be who. We don't say that, you know. So, the question is, brothers and sisters, where did his mother go? So we will say she went to his aunt. Whose aunt? Ibrahim's aunt. So how will you write it? ذهبت إلى خالته. Got the idea? ذهبت إلى خالته. Very good, brother. If you want to, you can put Zainab. Khalatihi Zainabah. Put it Zainabah if you want. That's fine. No harm there. Okay? And then again Zainabah is Badal. Badal. Zahabat ila khalatihi Zainab. You can say that. Okay. Mata raja Ibrahimu min al madrasati raja'a Ibrahimu. So where is the file of raja'a? Ibrahimu. Remember, file is always marfu. And once you know all these things, it's easy in the Quran for you to figure out where the file is, you know. You will have a better understanding of the construction of the sentences in the Quran, inshallah. Mata raja'a. So what will be your answer? Raja'a, he returned. Raja'a ba'da al-hissatil ula. Ba'da al-hissatil ula. Remember. Fine, brother. Now next is very simple and easy. Dr. Abdurrahim would like to test us whether we understood the sentences or not. Okay? Ibrahimu Ibnu Ukhti Yusufa. Is it correct? Ibrahim is the son of, sister of Yusuf. Is it correct? No, this is correct. This sentence is correct. Ibrahimu, brothers and sisters, what is Ibrahimu? Mubtada. Where is khabar? Ibnu. Okay. Ibnu is your khabar, wa huwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? Ukhti. And then ukhti is a mudaf, and Yusufa is mudaf ilayhi, because it's diptote. Got the idea? Did you get it, brother Hassan? Ibnu ukhti Yusufa. How many words are there? 3. So Ibnu is first, it is khabar. Wa huwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? Ukhti. And then again there is another noun after ukhti. So ukhti becomes in turn mudaf, and Yusuf becomes mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Yusufu ammu Ibrahima. Is it correct? No, this is wrong. Yusufu khalu Ibrahima. Yusufu khalu Ibrahima. Akhwatu Ibrahima. See, this is mudaf ilayhi. Akhwatu Ibrahima zahabna ila al-maktabati. Is it correct? Where did they go? Zahabna ila al-madrasati. They did not go to library, they went to the school. Fine, brother. Ikhwatu Ibrahima, again mudaf ilayhi. Brothers of Ibrahim. Zahabu, see how the verbs are used. Zahabna, and then zahabu. Ilal jamiyati. Is it correct? Yes, this is correct. Ibrahimu ma zahaba ila tabibi. Ibrahim he did not go to the doctor. Is it correct? It's wrong. Brother, look at the sentence, just for the fun of it. We are going to analyze it. Ibrahimu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Khabar is jumla failure. What is ma? Harfu nafi. What is ma? Particle of negation. And then what is zahaba? Fi'al. Where is the file? Mustatir. He went. Mustatir. And then ila tabibi, jar majrur shubu jumla. So where is, no. The whole jumla zahaba ila tabibi is the khabar. And how will you say khabar? Jumlatul fi'aliyatu. What is it? Jumlatul fi'aliyatu coming as a khabar. Do not get confused, brother. Now, put in the, brothers and sisters, this is the real halwa puri. Put in the exercise suitable verb form of zahaba. You know the 14 forms of zahaba. So put the suitable form of zahaba, okay, in the empty spots. Okay? Fine. This is very easy, brother. Very, very easy. You can score 100 points in it, inshallah. Al-awladu zahabu khalas. Again, just to point out to you, al-awladu mubtada. Where is our khabar? Zahabu. What is zahabu then? Jumla failure. This is how it is coming. Khabar is coming as a jumla failure. Fine. Al-awladu zahabu. Where is the file of zahabu? Wow. Ilal mal'abi. Mal'abi is the playground. The boys went to the playground. Okay, brother? At-talibatu. At-talibatu zahabna. We know it, brother. Zahabna ilal madrasati. So again, zahabna ilal madrasati is a jumla fi'liya coming as a khabar. Fine. Al-mudarrisu zahaba khalas, brother. Ana zahab khalas. Ukhti, now muannas, brother. My sister, ukhti, 2 words. Ukhti mudaf and ya mudaf ilayhi. So ukhtu, brothers and sisters, I would say ukhtu mudaf and ya mutakallam mudaf ilayhi. What is ukhtu? Mubtada. Wa huwa mudaf and ya mutakallam mudaf. What kind of a verb will we use? Zahabat. Because it is muannas, 3rd person. Ukhti zahabat ilal matbakhi. She went to the kitchen. Ay anta. Aina zahabta. Aina zahabta. Where did you go? Aina zahabta? Anta. Suppose it was anti. What would you say? Aina zahabti anti. Got the idea? Isn't this simple, brother? I hope you find it extremely simple. Inshallah. Yes, indeed. Now is our test. Brother, I want you to pass in this test. The verbs are wrong. The verb form is incorrect. We have to put the correct form of verb. Again, it is very easy. You know why? Because we are only dealing with zahaba. So it's very easy. And maybe raja, which also we did it, inshallah. So, you are asking Ya Muhammad. So what will you tell him? The verb is zahabtu. Is that correct? What it should be? Khalas, that's all. See, now your mind can figure out that that is wrong. Zahabtu is I. We are asking Muhammad, where did you go? Or did you go to the hospital? Did you go to the hospital? So we will say, Azahab ta. Very good. Now, brothers and sisters, Aminatu wa Fatimatu wa Zainabu. Now this makes it into plural. Plural. 3. Huh? Okay. So Raja'u, what is Raja'u? That is masculine. But these are all feminine. So what will you say? Raja'na. Remember sukoon there. Raja'na. Khalas. They returned from Jamia. Number 3. Zumala'i. What is Zumala'i? My colleagues. Masculine, brother. So what kind of a verb is this? Zumala'i Zahabu. Zumala'i Zahabu illa Makkata. Write down Makkata. Diptote. Ana Rajata. What will be Ana? Rajatu. MashaAllah. Ana Rajatu min al-Riyadi Amsi. What is Amsi, brother? Zarf. Zarfu Zaman. Yesterday. Amsi is Zarfu Zaman. Now look at it, brothers and sisters. Maryamu wa banatuha. What is it, brother? Maryamu wa banatuha. What it should be? Zahabna, not Zahabat. Zahabna. Got the idea, brother Muhammad? Yes. Alhamdulillah. Illa Juddata. Juddata. Fine, brother. Okay, now this is, remember, brother, Qala, he said. Can we conjugate little bit of Qala? Ready? Qala, Qala, Qalu, Qalat, Qalata. That's enough. Huh? Because we will do the rest in the end of book 2. Okay, brother? So, Ummi. Huh? So what will be the verb now? Qalat. It has to be qalat because our mind now can figure out. Ummi qalat. What did she say? Ana. Is this correct? What will she say? Maridatun. See, now our mind figures out that khabar has to match mubtada. Ana in this case is muannas. So khabar has to be muannas. MashaAllah. But this way we'll finish the book by tonight, inshallah. Okay. Okay. Here are we, brothers and sisters. Ajib. Answer the question with negation using ma. What is the sentence, brothers and sisters? Azahabta ilal madrasati amsi. Did you go to school yesterday? You got to say no. What will be your answer? La. And then you will say Ma Zahabtu Khalas. That's all you are going to answer. Zahabta became Zahabtu. I did not go. Araja'a abuka min Baghdad. Araja'a abuka min Baghdad. What will you say? La. And how will you use now? Ma. No, brother, if we're talking about the father. So, ma raja'a, khalas, he did not return. Ma raja'a, now the file is a pronoun. Means he did not return. If you want to use file as a, then you will say ma raja'a abi. Abuka became abi. Got the idea? Inshallah. Okay. Azahabat ukhtuka ila al-mustashfa. See, Raja, Abu is the file there. Remember, Abuka. Okay. Now, Azahabat ukhtuka. Where is the file? Ukhtu. Huh? Okay, fine. Now, ukhtuka, it is your sister. Now you will say my sister. But you don't want to use my sister. You just want to use the pronoun. So what will you say? La. Ma zahabat. Khalas, that is, answer is sufficient. Ma. What about second? Araja abuka min Baghdad. La. Ma raja. Khalas. He did not return. It is understood. The rest of the sentence is understood. Zahabat ukhtuka. Ilal mustashfa, did your sister go to mustashfa? What is your answer? La. Ma zahabat, because muannas. Ta'ammal, ma yali, ponder what follows. Li anna, see li plus anna. And what does it say? Wa anna min akhwatu inna. Do you get it? But highlight it, brother. What will you highlight it? Anna wa anna min akhwatu inna. Only that. Wa anna min akhwatu inna. That's all you should highlight. Wa anna. Okay, that's all, brother. So li anna, wo, brother. Dr. Sahib has given here 4. Li annahu, li annaha, li annaka. Let us do 14. Ready? Li annahu, li annahuma, li annahum, li annaha, li annahuma, li annahunna, li annaka, li annakuma, li annakum, li annaki, li annakuma, li annakunna, li annani, and then li annana. Khalas, brother. Easy. What did you do now? We just did anna plus the damir as a ismu anna mansubun. Got the idea? When you say li annahu, anna min akhwatu inna. What is who? Ismu anna. Ismu anna mansub. Khalas. That's all. Raja'a Hamidun min al madrasati. Where is the file of Raja'a? See, now it is mawjud. It is mawjud in the sentence. So you remember only huwa and hiya in these two forms. Only in huwa and hiya the file can be mustatir or can be mawjud in the sentence. So Raja'a Hamidun, Hamidun is your file. Min al madrasati, he returned from the school. Why? Because he is sick. Li annahu maridun. Now, Raja'at Aminatu, where is the file? Aminatu min al madrasati li annaha, because she is. Are you with me? Li annaha means because she is maridatun. Now it is maridatun. I hope you will remember this, okay? That the mubtada and the khabar, they agree with each other for gender. What is it for? Gender. Muannas, muannas. Muzakkar, muzakkar. So li annaha. So ha is a muannas ismu anna. So the khabar has to match ha. Okay? Rajatu min al madrasati. I returned from the school. Why? Li'annani maridatun. So it depends. If the muzakkar is saying this statement, he will say li'annani maridun. If a muannas is saying this sentence, then she will say li'annani maridatun. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now we come to Azhabta ila al-madrasati amsi. See, this is a statement, no negation. Zahabta ila al-madrasati amsi. What is the answer? Naam zahabtu. Fi'al fa'il. What Dr. Abdurrahim now wants us to know, how to use bala. What is it, brothers and sisters? How to use bala as an answer. Okay. Ma zahabta ila al-madrasati amsi. Didn't you go to the school yesterday? Now if your answer is an affirmation, yes, I went. What will you say? Bala. Zahabtu. Yes, indeed, I went. Are you with me? Now you got to find out the answer. Araja'a abuka minasuki araja'a. Translate, brother, the question. Araja'a abuka minasuki. Did your father, no negation, did your father, what will your answer? Naam. Then, no, brother, raja'tu, then I returned. Raja'a, khalas. He returned. Huh? Okay, fine. Now, ama raja'a. How will you translate this? Did not your father return from the souk? What will be your answer now? Bala and raja'a. Bala, raja'a. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? If you want to highlight just the negation part of it, just the negation part of it, then you know it is negation in the question. And if you have other color of highlighter, then you can use the other color for statement, you know. Now, brother and sister, number 3. How will you read the sentence? Layla is there. So what is our Layla there? Fa'il, masha'Allah, masha'Allah. How will you say? Azahabat Layla ilal jamiyati. Translation, brother and sister. Azahabat Layla ilal jamiyati. Translation. Did Layla go to the jamia? What is the answer? Naam. Zahabat. Very good. She went. Not zahabtu or zahabti. Zahabat. She went. Now the next question, brother. Ama zahaba. Okay, negation. Ma zahaba akhuka. So where is the file of zahaba? Akhu. Mudaf, mudafili. Ama zahaba akhuka ila riyadi. Translation, brother? Didn't your brother go to Riyadh? Bala. And then Zahaba. Yes, he went. Yes, indeed he went. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Father, I told you this way we'll finish the book by tonight. Did you find any difficulty in the lesson? I told you it was easy. Why? Because you worked hard with your conjugation. Are you with me? You know exactly what form of verb to use. Okay, and you know where the file was. That made things very easy, inshallah. Now, remember, this knowledge that we have gained, we will apply